Last night around 11:10 p.m., a 19-year-old Indrive taxi operator was driving along Coleyville Road in Kingston 20. According to the driver, he picked up a passenger, and while they were on the move, the man pulled a gun and took control of the vehicle by force. Thankfully, the driver managed to escape without injury and quickly called the police. The stolen car was struck electronically to a location in St. Catherine South Police Division. Officers moved in and intercepted the vehicle along Dyke Road near the Jamworld complex in Portmore. Inside the car was one man. The police searched the vehicle and they found a Glock 79mm pistol, 2 magazines, and 34 rounds of ammunition. All issued by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. He also had his police ID on him. That's when the police realized the man behind the wheel was one of their own, a serving member of the JCF. He was taken into custody and investigations are ongoing. Now, some people are asking, where are the people who always support the police now? Here am I over here, so sneer. Listen, let me tell you something. Being a police officer is a title, not a character. A uniform doesn't make you honest. Your action do. Supporting the police doesn't mean we are supposed to turn a blind eye when they mess up. It means we back the ones who actually do the job right, who protect and serve the people. And when one of them crosses the line, we hold them accountable as well. As easy and simple as that.